Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with you documenting another week in my Project Life album, week 30. Don't forget, there is a free weekly card set, a 3x4 card set, up to week 32, so I'll be sure to update that soon. Be on the lookout. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week, but before that, let me show you, or let me tell you, what collection I am using today. Excuse me. I'm using Studio Calico's Happily Ever Now, and I went ahead and printed those out, cut those out, and decided that I would use that kit to document this week's happenings. So let me take you through that. The first picture above is a picture of all of our books. My kids and I have been reading this whole summer, and it's been great because we've been very trying to reach those summer goals. And my daughter, she's already reached book 33 already so far for the year, and she has me beat. I only have 18 books, but she is on a roll. So still encouraging my other two boys to keep reading, so it's very important to have that quiet time. The following two 3x4 pictures are a picture of our smoothies. This happens to be our protein shakes. We wanted to try out two new fruits, which is dragon fruit and passion fruit, and so we made those, and they came out okay. Some kids said that it was okay. I thought it was okay. Other kids didn't like it. So that's the cool thing about learning and trying new things, right? The next picture over is a picture, it's a screenshot actually of our 360. I don't know if you guys use the 360 app, but I use it with my family, my kids especially. And my husband, when he got to Mississippi, because he was over there for training for work, he was gone for a week, and snapped this picture of our 360, and he's like, look how far away we were from each other. And I was like, wow, that is far away. So I ended up just printing out that picture, and I put a little plain wood veneer, and I added that just to decorate that picture a bit. Thought it looked cool. The picture below is a picture of my daughter. She really wanted to, I took her to a follow-up appointment, and then she wanted to hit up a Target because always buying all the books, and there pictured were the books that she was purchasing. She had 4 books. Yeah, Target has great deals on book sets. I highly recommend. Another picture over, now I'm on the right hand side of the protector sheet. The top picture is a picture of my Palm Milo. I was picking up my daughter from cheer practice, and he would not say no to not coming with me. So he snuck in through the crack of the door. I opened up the door, and he went and sat. That's where he sits. Isn't it cute? He sits in the car seat. And I took out the couple of stamp sets. This particular one that I'm using is called Dog Parent from Everyday Explorers Co. And I picked out that stamp that said, can't say no to this face, because honestly, look, he is so adorable. So I went ahead and stamped that out, fussy cut that out so that I can adhere it to the picture there. The bottom 2 3x4s is a picture of my husband. He sent me this picture while he was looking around. I had no idea. I thought it was just a picture of him antiquing, because that's what he does. He likes to go antiquing. But no, this is actually in a tattoo parlor, or a tattoo shop. I don't know what they call them nowadays. But anyway, I just didn't know that, so I printed this picture not knowing that, and I just took one of these labels from Veronica Creates Shop in this pretty blue, and I added a geotag and just marked off Mississippi, just to note that he was still over there. And the picture on the right hand side is a picture, the 3x4 is a picture of our lunch. My daughter and I ended up watching the Barbie movie. Now, my daughter had already watched the Barbie movie with her friends, but she said she really wanted me to go watch it with her, and I'm really glad she did. It was a really good, it was a good movie. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I really did enjoy it. It had a really good message, and I just had all the feelings of, like, how my daughter used to play with Barbies and with dolls, and now look at, she's this beautiful young woman, and just gave me all the feels. And her and I were bawling at the part where, well, I don't want to do any spoilers, but there is a part of the movie where where Billie Eilish sings, and it's just, oh, it's just so sad. But, or why, I guess not sad, it just makes you feel like it's just, yeah, it just triggers those feelings. And her and I were bawling, and I held her hand, and it was like a really bonding moment for her and I. And I ended up taking her out to lunch because she ended up having cheer practice afterward, and her and I had already been fasting, and so we broke her fast. I know it's not the best meal, but under the time that we were in, we were just, you know, picked up something quick. And we didn't know, but it was actually National Chicken Finger Day, July 27th. So we stopped at Cane's and we had lunch there, and so I snapped a picture of that, thought I would put that in my album. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm just journaling here. So the Barbie, I ended up making this cute little ephemera piece because I'm planning on making a scrapbook page of her and I, of our outing, and I ended up making like an ephemera set so that I can decorate. And so I ended up getting this Barbie, I made this Barbie ephemera piece here, and I just cut it out and I adhered it to that 4x6 blank white card there, and I later journal on that. So yeah, maybe, I don't know, maybe I might post it. I'm not sure. We'll see. If you guys are interested, let me know. And then I used another stamp set. It's called Everyday. It's by Everyday Explorers Co. And it's the Currently seals. It's the January of 2022 stamp set. And it said, currently working on this, which is perfect for the picture with our books on it. And then this journaling card here that says summer. I can't really remember what it says. I can't really see on there, but I just wanted to document about our protein shakes and smoothies that we've been having over the summer. And I just picked up another one of Veronica's In Full Bloom labels. They're great for documenting, and just documented there, added that to my picture. And then I thought I would use these. These are from Studio Calico too. They're like acetate pieces, and I thought maybe I could use it for that picture with our cups. But I couldn't, I don't know, I didn't feel like it went with it. So I ended up pulling out some paper clips, some colored paper clips. And then what else? I believe, oh, I had one more journaling card, which is this cute little, it looks like a book library card. Back in the old days when they used to check out your books and they used to stamp them for you when you had to return them. So I thought that was cute, just to document the books that I've read in July. Now I'm currently still working on another book. I thought I was going to finish it before July, but I didn't. So that will have to count for August. So I did end up using, I believe it's the Ali Edwards story stamp, the Read set. And I used a stamp that said read all about it. I stamped that, and then I got my stamp, my rolling date stamp, and decided to stamp all the dates that I finished all my books on. And I ended up reading, let me see, 6, I believe 6 books. Not bad for a month. And I stamped out all the dates. So here you have me stamping all the dates, and then I'll go in and write in the title of the books and the authors. And at the very end, I ended up forgetting one more book that I read, which was Walking on Water, and I added that at the very, very end. So there were 7 books. Yeah, 7 books for the month, because I had forgotten that one. Yeah, I really, really enjoy reading, and although right now I've been enjoying the audiobooks just because I can multitask and do all the things around the house, and even when I'm cooking or cleaning or washing dishes or whatnot. Yeah, I enjoy it. It feels like I'm not working. So yeah, I'm currently reading right now Stephen King's Fairy Tale, and I am loving that book so much right now. So I highly recommend it. My daughter's going to read it after me. She's already read her first Stephen King book, and I think she's hooked. So yeah, we've just been enjoying just reading, and I do have a reading journal. I don't know, I've never thought about making a flip through of my reading journal, but I don't know, maybe if I'm brave enough, I might jump on here and share. So let me know, do you guys read? Do you guys have reading journals? Let me know. I would love to see your journals and work as well. So anyway, that is pretty much it, guys. Here you just see me add this piece here to my card, and then I journal and I speed that up just so that you don't have to see me journaling the whole time. And I think that's about it. It was fairly easy layout. If you guys like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much all for watching. I hope you guys are all having a fun summer. Enjoy the last days of summer, because I know a lot of you may be starting school soon. So alright, I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys.